Okay, question 11. An object that is 6.98 centimeters from a lens produces an image that is 2.95 centimeters from the lens. On the same side of the lens, determine the type of lens that is producing the image and explain how you know. This was a hard question. Here's how you could do it. I'll show you two ways you could know what type of lens this is. Okay. First thing we're going to do is write down all these numbers and the question. Okay. So 6.98 centimeters. I'll put it in my notebook. 6.98 centimeters. And the other number was 2.95 centimeters. And the question it was asking was determine the type of lens. So is there any other information they give you? No. So what are they given? What number is this? 6.98 centimeters. What is this? An object. Something to do with object. From's the key word here. X for position. X of the object. XO. So let's put that down. 6.98 is telling us the position of the object. And I knew that it was position because the key word was from. Okay, this other number it gives us is produces an image, so it's going to be something to do with I, that is 2.9 centimeters from. Again, from is the key word, X for position, I. So we've now identified what these numbers are. Position of the image, because the key word again was from. Right, what are we trying to find? The type of lens. So what can I find with XO and XI that will help me determine the type of lens? I could find the magnification. M equals HI over HO, which equals minus XI over XO. So I'm given this number here, XI is 2.95, and I'm given this number, XO, which is 6.98. I'm not given HI, I'm not given HO, so I can find M. 2.95 divided by 6.98, I put it in the calculator, and I get a number, and it will be a minus number. Okay, the number will be something less than 1, so it will be minus some number less than 1, 0 point something. If it was 1, it would mean it's the same size as the original object. So it hasn't been magnified. The magnification is 1. If it was bigger than 1, if it was some number bigger than 1, that means it would be magnified bigger than the original object. If it's, in this case, less than 1, it means it's not been bigger, it's gone smaller. So we have a case where we have an object, the image is on the same side as the object, and let's say this is the lens, we don't know if it's concave or convex, so I'll draw both. And the image is on the same side, but we know one thing now, that it's smaller. Okay? This alone could tell you that it must be a concave mirror, because if it was a convex mirror, a convex lens, the image would be bigger if it was on the same side as the object. It's the only time it's on the same side and it's bigger. Whereas concave, it's always smaller if it's on the same side. So this is enough to give you